Hi Virgo, welcome to your reading. This is Mystic Mage Sadis. And Hi Virgo, welcome to your reading. This is Mystic Mage Sadis. And today we're going to talk about your overall energy at anong ganap sa inyo this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. So, angels, anong ganap sa Virgo this July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay. Alright, Virgo. So you do have the Three of Cups, the High Priestess, and the Transformation card. So for the first week of July, you have the Three of Cups, which indicates celebration or a reunion of friendship. So maybe meron kayong mga barkada sa ibang bansa na nagtatrabaho at uuwi this month, or meron kayong uh, reunion, class reunion, parang gano'n. Or merong pagtitipong na magaganap, like there's a birthday or something to celebrate with. Or pwede din, this indicates na siguro merong ikakasal. Ayan, looking at this flower crown here. So, maybe there's someone na malapit ng ikasal, kaya you are celebrating. So, yeah, yun ang nababasa ko sa pagpasok ng July. And then, you do have the High Priestess, which indicates soul connection between you and the person that you are with. Maybe you are someone na nasa isang, I mean, nanliligaw, parang ganun, may nanliligaw sa inyo and you feel connected with that person, or meron kayong mga hidden talents na hindi nyo pa nadi-discover and you know to yourself na you can do it sa inyong job. Maybe you want something more and you are probably exploring yourself and you are learning something new, upscaling, pagbabasa, ganun. Nakikita mo ba? Parang you want something na gusto nyong matutunan, ganun, in terms of your career or finances, mayroong mga bagay na gusto nyong matutunan. Siguro sa negosyo, gusto nyong magtayo ng negosyo at siguro naghahanap kayo ng mga suppliers, ganun, or if you are someone na nililigawan, you might be thinking kung ano yung mga might be thinking kung totoo ba yung tao sa inyo or binabasa nyo kasi binabasa nyo yung tao kung maganda ba yung intention niya sa inyo or hindi, parang gano'n. And you do have the transformation card at the end of July. So, you're going to transform yourself. Siguro dahil na rin you are a very masipag na person. Look at that. You are very hardworking. You are learning something and maybe you're going to apply it on your job or on your business, yung mga natutunan nyo. And from that moment on, you're going to transform yourself to to be a better person. Okay, so I have here the Mystic Forest Oracle cards to guide you in your life situation. Angels, what's your guidance for Virgo this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? Pursue happiness. So, Virgo, makinig. Never apologize for what brings you joy. Only you understand where you truly belong and where you can find your safe space. Follow your bliss. So, ayun. Kung yung pagiging workaholic nyo or yung pagiging um, yung nasa bibig ko, hindi ko masabi. Pag-aaral? Not pag-aaral ko, parang curious, ganun, curious. Yung curiosity nyo, yan, curiosity nyo, yung pagiging eager to learn nyo sa mga bagay is nag-produce ng happiness sa inyo because you can do something better for yourself. And yeah, it's a good thing na the universe is saying to you na you truly understand where you belong and you know for yourself na you're going to transform pa um, you can do more things pa ganun. And you just have here follow your list, follow nyo lang kung ano yung sa tingin nyo is yung tama at mas nakakabuti sa inyo. Alright, there you go. That's your reading. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon on our next video.